Daniel Harris was a married man who often traveled for work, and during one of his trips, he booked a small apartment through Airbnb in a quiet part of the city. The listing looked perfect online: bright photos of a modern living room, a cozy bedroom, and a balcony with a beautiful view of the skyline. The host, a man named Victor, had written in the description that he took pride in giving guests a five-star experience. Daniel arrived late in the evening after a long day of meetings, expecting a peaceful place where he could rest. At first glance, the apartment looked fine, but as the hours passed, he started noticing problems. The kitchen sink leaked constantly, leaving water on the floor. The Wi Fi signal barely worked, and the air conditioner made loud rattling noises throughout the night. Daniel tried contacting Victor, but the host responded slowly and seemed irritated every time Daniel asked for help. Still, Daniel decided to make the best of it and finish his stay quietly. However, something else happened during those days that Daniel thought would remain a secret forever. One night, he invited a woman he had met at a nearby bar to the apartment. They arrived late, laughing softly as they walked through the hallway, unaware that security cameras in the building entrance recorded everything. Daniel didn't think much about it. After all, it was just another anonymous night in a city far from home. A few days later, his trip ended and he returned home to his wife, believing the entire episode had disappeared into the past. But the frustrating experience with the apartment still bothered him, and after thinking about it for a while, he decided to leave an honest review. He opened the app, described the problems with the leaking sink, the broken Wi Fi, and the unhelpful host, and gave the place only 2 stars. To Daniel, it was simply a truthful review meant to help future travelers know what to expect. For Victor, however, the review felt like a personal attack. His listing had always maintained a high rating, and Daniel's criticism immediately dragged it down. When Victor read the review, anger slowly replaced his usual calm attitude. He believed Daniel had ruined his reputation and possibly cost him future bookings. Instead of responding professionally, Victor began thinking about how he could make Daniel regret what he had written. While checking the building's security system earlier that week, Victor had noticed the footage of Daniel entering the building late at night with another woman. At the time, it seemed unimportant, but now it looked like the perfect opportunity for revenge. Victor carefully downloaded the clip from the security camera and began searching for Daniel online. It didn't take long to find him. A quick search revealed Daniel's social media profiles, pictures of family vacations, smiling photos with his wife, and posts about their seemingly happy marriage. Victor scrolled through the pages until he found Daniel's wife's account. After a moment of hesitation, he composed a message and attached the video. The text was short and cold. "Your husband stayed at my property recently. I thought you deserved to see what happened during his visit." Then he pressed send. Hours later, Daniel's peaceful evening at home turned into chaos. His phone began ringing again and again, and when he finally answered, his wife's voice was shaking with anger and disbelief. She had already seen the footage. Daniel tried to explain, tried to deny, but the video showed everything clearly. The argument that followed shattered the quiet life he thought he had safely returned to. What had started as a simple online review turned into a devastating chain reaction of revenge, betrayal, and consequences that Daniel never imagined when he typed those few critical sentences about his stay. In the end, the incident became a harsh reminder that in a world where cameras, social media, and digital records are everywhere, even a small conflict between strangers can spiral into something far more destructive than anyone expects.